This is the replacement oscillator for the one that broke, that I showed you that broke on the video. Remember I said in the video description, I said I'm not going to get one? Well, I changed my mind and I decided to get a replacement anyway. So here's the replacement, and let's see what we got. Always as usual, Amazon packages. And here it is. Has a different type of guard. This is a rotating guard. And it also oscillates at 120 degrees. Now this is not the white version. This is this one right here, the blue one. All right, let's take it out and let's see what we got. Comes with your typical small USB cord, and then it comes with, I guess this is the manual. This thing is well packaged. So here it is once again, and this is the blue one. They claim that it has 5 blades, but on the Amazon they showed that it has only 3 blades. So here we go again with that free show of deception. But let's see what it has. Like I said, this thing is well packaged. Yep, it only has 3 blades. And here it is with 3 blades. Goes up, goes down. So let's hope that it don't break on me again. Because I can tell you right now, if that happens, I am definitely not going to get another replacement. All right, let's see if it has any power to it. Let me turn this fan on so y'all can hear it. Let's see what we got. Nope, no power. I guess the battery is completely dead. Okay, well, there goes that freak show. They certainly didn't charge the battery, that's for sure. Well, let me try to plug it up and let's see what we got. What a freak show. They usually charge these batteries just enough where you can use it. Not exactly sure what their theory was behind not charging it. But what else is new? It's a freak show. So I gotta be careful with this. Everything is cheaply made. Yeah. This thing has 5 speeds, I believe. Or is it 4? 3. Okay, let me try a 2 amp plug because this is not working out. What a freak show right off the bat. Okay. I see we got a freak show on right here. Well, there it goes oscillating, so let's see how that goes. Not so sure that's 120 degrees like they claim. It's more like 90 degrees. I think they was overly exaggerating. Seems to oscillate quite well. Fortunately, because the battery's not charged enough, it will not allow me to power up the other speeds. I suppose that's good enough. And as always, it actually does stall. But what else is new? Just glad to have a replacement. Let's see if we can get this grill to rotate. And there you go. So yeah, the grill does rotate. I figured this was a 2 amp fan. You need a 2 amp adapter in order for it to work properly. Low, medium, high, super high. Super high is not working right now because the battery's not charged up enough for it to work, even though it's running as a USB. So low, medium, and just normal high. That's just normal high, but we'll get to super high when the battery is charged enough. Not so sure that's going to happen on the video though, but I have to do a separate video on that. Once again, oscillation. At the so-called 120 degrees, which is a bunch of baloney. More like either 80 or 90 degrees. Because 120 goes on the side, and then it turns all the way on the other side, and it's not doing that. It's more like 80 or 90 degrees as always. So I think somebody overly exaggerated on this rotating at 120. That's a bunch of baloney. They even got some fans out there where they claim that it rotates at 180 degrees. I think that's a bunch of baloney. It's probably no more than 90 degrees. So you got to watch that, because people will false advertise like that to try to get you to buy their product. And that's wrong. Well, at least it oscillates. And this is the replacement. I got a one-way blower coming tomorrow. One-way blower, meaning it doesn't rotate. It's just stand still and blow the air straight. And that's to replace the other one I got over there. It has a faulty battery system. The battery system in the other one is faulty, or the components that make it charge, because it will not charge at all. It only works as USB. So I got that coming tomorrow. So that kind of replaces that one, although I'm going to keep that one because, as I said before, it works good as USB and when you plug it into your power bank, but not on this default batteries. And that's how you stop it. You can manually rotate it manually. And let's go ahead and shut it off. Spin down time. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you liked it. And more videos will come soon. God bless you and go.